Hello, hello. Are we live? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. It seems like we are live. All right. राधे राधे दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का एक और लाइव स्ट्रीम में where we are working on our side project ROI Monk, and uh, it's been a great ride. तो आज के टास्क के लिए just give me a second. Right. So today, as if you've been following this, the whole journey with me. तो today second last day. आज हम हमारे कुछ minor issues हैं ये जो मैंने लिख के रख रखे हैं while I was manually testing it, है ना? I found these errors and these issues, bugs, messes, कुछ भी कह लो. So today we are gonna fix them and then we'll go live tomorrow, right? So, yep, that's pretty much sums it up, and it has been a great ride. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इसको बिना किसी देरी के. तो हमारा सबसे पहला इशू है कि हमें मिडिलवेयर में, अच्छा, बिफोर दैट लेट्स क्रिएट अ न्यू ब्रांच नेम्ड प्री prod, है ना? तो द थिंग इज कुछ भी अब से फटा करेगा तो आई वर्क ऑन प्री prod, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट मेन में चेंजेस नहीं करना है. तो yeah, got what I'm saying, right? Okay. Since there are different branches for different things, I'll be working on pre-prod mainly because it's production ka pehle ka, right? So there are a few changes which I committed. So as you know, it's open source, right? So here it is. You can follow it. I mean, go to the 274 commits and see uh, if any change you want to see, right? क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ करके. You can anytime go to the history and all. So we'll start working in pre-prod. तो हमारे सारे सर्वर अप है, प्रिज्मा चल रहा है, यहाँ पे हमारा डेव चल रहा है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम एंड या हियर वी आर, राइट? तो राउट्स इन मिडिलवेयर. सो वी हैव मिडिलवेयर, राइट? तो यहाँ पे इस प्रोटेक्टेड राउट में हमें बहुत सारे राउट्स डालना है. अभी तो सिर्फ डैशबोर्ड का डाला हुआ है, राइट? तो अभी हम आएंगे ऐप में, कंपोनेंट में, वी विल start writing all the routes. So create new, है ना? create new के बाद डैशबोर्ड है, feedback, portfolio, support, settings, correct, portfolio settings, support. Cool. Think I messed something up. यहाँ पे आके settings. ये सारे राउट्स हमें प्रोटेक्ट करने हैं बेसिकली. दीज वर ऑल ओपन until now, right? एंड ये हमारा एडमिन राउट हो गया, और उसका साइन इन साइन अप अगेन ओपन रहेंगे. पेमेंट ही ओपन, पेमेंट ऑल्सो नीड्स टू बी हियर. Unless and until a user is signed up, how can he go for payment? Correct? Does that make sense? That makes sense. बाकी इसके बाद okay, build is that, right? Actions. I want के actions को भी कोई एक्सेस ना करे. what else do we have? Cool, ये सब ओके है. एंड एक्शंस के बाद हमारे पास और क्या बचता है? कॉन्फ़िग, डिबेटेबल, ओके. कॉन्टेक्स्ट, data, of course, there's some data, and then we have our library, right? तो डैशबोर्ड हो गया. ये सब प्रोटेक्टेड वाले राउट्स आ गए, राइट? दिस ऑल आई वांट के यू नो वो रहे, प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. तो प्री प्रॉड में है प्री अपडेटिंग protected routes. Cool. Come. I will quickly search for console.log. We should only be consoling our errors, which is good. Another good practice. अपना पहला issue solve हो गया, right? The second thing, the most important feature of this whole app, we forgot it almost altogether, encryption. So we'll go here, we'll search for how to, or rather, let's just come here, let me refresh it. How to encrypt data in schema.prisma. Let's see if it tells us. Okay, not the most optimal solution. Okay, this is good. Uh, and this is what I am looking for. Prisma field encryption. Right. So, abhi I have one GitHub repo named this. तो यहाँ पे बंदे ने basically he did the same thing which we are going to do now. यहाँ पे इसने स्कीमा को एनक्रिप्ट कर रखा है ऐसे करके. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू सी Prisma field encryption. Just wanted to get cross verified and how to encrypt fields in Prisma. PostgreSQL. हाँ, cool. So this is the one, right? If I'm not wrong. हाँ. So abhi we are gonna follow this particular npm doc. So let's quickly hop onto it without wasting any time. So this is the npm part. We'll go here. We also update packages. तो npm आई हो गया. What is next? Using a package manager. ठीक है. And your Prisma client. Okay. Import Prisma. Hmm. right? So let me see, where is his code Prisma client? So does it look like this? Import Prisma client from Prisma client, export default. और सर्च करने का ऑप्शन कौन सा है? Okay, let me go back, do a quick research. SE Prisma from library comma Prisma, right? एंड यहाँ पे Prisma डॉट एक्सपेंसेस डॉट के, तो लाइब्रेरी स्लैश Prisma पे जाएंगे अब हम पहले। इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, हाँ यही फाइल थी, तो वही होगा बेसिकली। कूल, तो दैट इज व्हाट इज गोना हैपन। तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम आएंगे यहाँ पे Prisma क्लाइंट, हमारा इंपोर्ट हो रहा है बराबर, इंपोर्ट दिस करेक्ट, एंड ग्लोबल क्लाइंट इज इक्वल्स टू न्यू Prisma क्लाइंट, जो कि मिल गया ये। Now export const client is equals to global client and doing something wrong here. I think this setup is wrong altogether. Let me just delete it. Okay. Let's see, export const client. I'll just call it DB. Quickly see. So if I am not wrong, first we'll check so far is our database working fine करके। इसके लिए close this. I'll close this. What I'm gonna do is I push negative reset, and then all right, let's just see what is happening. Yes. Hmm. So getting things ready, I'll come to user, close this, and we are gonna add an record. Let's say codes akshat at the email. com Akshat codes subscribe to save and change. Let's quickly go here from here npm dev. Let me just refresh and go to dashboard. Also, I did something here, right? Anyhow, yeah, here this is up and running. Let me refresh it. Go here, and now we could have done one more thing. We could have, all right. Anyhow, let's just deal with it right now. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and what's going on? Get a do my hand. अरे इतना क्या टाइम लग रहा है? All right, compiled. You took your sweet time, eh? क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ? अच्छा, no encryption key provided. Yes, that was a mess. Cool. I think this is gonna fail again. Let's see. Yes, that is what I was wondering. कि clock तो मेरे में है ही नहीं. So we'll go here. अरे नहीं, not you. Okay. We'll go to .env file. We're gonna come here and give me a second. Yeah, in our env file, I'm gonna paste it. Say, and after this, you can also pass it directly. And now, gonna save it, close it, right, and then annotate your schema. And then we'll go to schema.prisma. All right, we'll start do step by step. What I did is, yes, this right. We'll start with something simple in our portfolio. What I would like, or rather, just uh, this would be enough, I guess. Here's my schema. Let me just take some ideas from here. Okay, this is not there. तो डालने को उसने बोला ही नहीं था ये कर लिया ये कर लिया it कर लिया we'll see it one step by step, right? Small steps. This, this, this. Wow. Transaction date, comments. I want all these to be four. Now portfolio name. Because these are the primary things, right, in our database. So let's quickly go back and see what was the next step. Next step was to regenerate your client in Prisma generate, right? So let me copy this, go here. Uh, is it at least running? Let me just see if I can go to डैशबोर्ड। हाँ, ये भी इशू फिक्स करना है हमें। एनी हो, नॉट द टाइमिंग, चेक एवरीथिंग एक साथ। pnpx pnp, अरे yes, let's do this, right? Shall we एक साथ सब कुछ ही generate push against studio, and then meanwhile let's see what other things. Validation before opening portfolio page, yes, that is something we need to do. Revalidate responsive issue, yes. Let's give it a minute. Baki, if there is someone in the chat who would like to ask something, talk on something, feel free to drop text in the chat window. Oh dude, how did this happen? In that case, we'll update the Prisma client. Prisma. एक सेकंड ब्रो, प्रिज्मा का तो 6.50 का है, प्रिज्मा क्लाइंट का 5.18 है, ये है, इसका भी तो 5.16 ही है। वाओ, I don't know. So since our database is up now, we can quickly hop on these certain things and see if our database is working fine or we need to roll back, है ना? पोर्टफोलियो नेम इनक्रिप्ट किया, ट्रांजैक्शन डिटेल्स सारी इनक्रिप्ट कर दी, और बाकी वैसे का वैसा ही है। अच्छा, सर्वर चलाएंगे pnpm def, and yes, let's see. क्या होगा अगर मैं रिफ्रेश कर दूं? अगर हमारे पास इसके बाद टाइम बचता है तो हम बिल्ड एरर्स भी फिक्स करेंगे आज। Although I need to get some images done as well. Alright, it's compiled. Let's hop on to a dashboard. Cool. All right. Why is it like this? Dashboard. Is it because I don't have any data here? फिर ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me search for enum. In that case, we'll go here. Transaction type कहाँ गया? Search for int. Cool. I'll do it again. अरे यार, what it takes a lot of time. All right, PNPM dev. Oh. All right, इसने भी सब string को ही कर रखा है वैसे तो. In that case, I think अपना फिर से एक और बार एक दो बार और खराब होगा. Let's see. Good. और एक बार हम जाएंगे लेआउट फाइल में. यहाँ पे भाई फिर तो भसड़ है यार. लेट्स सी ट्रांजैक्शन नेम अमाउंट नहीं हो सकता. ये भी नहीं हो सकता. डेट टाइम स्ट्रिंग हो सकता है राइट. लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई दिस वन मोर लास्ट टाइम. Let me see what all this is about. I meanwhile, just thinking के हम थोड़े से बिल्ड एरर्स भी फिक्स कर देते आज. बट अगेन इसमें ही इतना टाइम लग गया. अगर ना छोटा सा इशू है राइट. नॉट दैट ऑफ अ बिग डील. Still it's taking so much time in just compiling that. I mean, what do I even say? Let's cool, right? Hopefully this should work. Shouldn't it? Refresh it. हटा तो दिया. String. Alright, so I think I'll have to run this command again. Ah, dude. Another 5 to 10 minutes wasted. I don't know, matter of fact, just wait it out. Meanwhile, let me have some water, please. All right, let's see. Moment of truth, right? So far, so good. Yes, I feel like this is gonna make it. All right, cool. I'm gonna close it. New portfolio, E01. Okay, ये issues sort करना होगा हमें, but for now, or as a matter of fact, Control N, lower M, then let me just do one thing. But this would not. Yeah, save. Cool. Now I'm gonna refresh it here, and we are gonna okay. सबसे पहले database में चल के देखेंगे transaction a portfolio. Okay, the transaction name is feels like yes, it's go comments. But why do it feel like a same ही सी चीज है? Let me just do a control N, control V. अच्छा उसके बाद wow, and if I go here, cool, right? In this case, if I come here, what do I see? P01 cool. What just happened? So far so good. Okay, यहाँ कुछ नहीं आया. That is such a weird thing. Warning, you are using an encrypted field in a where or connect clause without a hash. You can find many where portfolio name. This will not work as a read mode. Patience. Consider adding a hash field to enable such an uh, 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 uh. uh, 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 uh. Right, middleware interface. Okay, and if I go to the portfolio page, तो बेसिकली उसमें क्या लिखा है आप समझ गए होंगे. लेट मी क्विकली टेल यू. इसमें लिखा है कि अगर हम क्या करेंगे, लेट्स से हम जैसे मैंने अपने में कर रखा ही है राइट. इफ आई डू दिस, तो क्या होगा, प्रिज्मा जो है वो इसको सर्च नहीं कर पाएगा क्योंकि उसका जो ये है वो डायनामिकली चेंज होता रहता है ड्यू टू द यूज ऑफ रैंडम इनिशियलाइजेशन वेक्टर्स राइट. तो ये है, तो उसने क्या कहा कि अगर तुम्हें इसे इनक्रिप्ट करना ही है तो तुम्हें एक ईमेल हैश भी बनाना होगा एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू दिस. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू क्विकली सी इन माय पेज गेट ट्रांजैक्शन बाय पोर्टफोलियो नेम. अच्छा, तो हमें पोर्टफोलियो ओनर इन पोर्टफोलियो नेम से ही मैं उसे फेच कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज व्हाई. So what I'm gonna do is, let me close this and come here. ट्रांजैक्शन नेम पे लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, कमेंट्स पे लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है राइट. ऑल्दो पोर्टफोलियो आईडी अकाउंट राइट. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पोर्टफोलियो नेम पे लगा देंगे. अब पर इसको लगाएंगे कैसे इज द क्वेश्चन. तो उसमें उसने इसको भी बताया था, ईमेल HSH ले लेंगे हम. यहाँ पे पोर्टफोलियो नेम हैश string question mark and then hash the name of the source field, which is portfolio name. So in this case it will be like this. And let me just quickly try creating another one, E02. Let me just add transaction credit, transaction T02 amount 456, transaction date 2nd April. Comments would be again, I'll do the same thing. Lorem ipsum, add, save, refresh. Is it breaking? It should not. And I'll just do a quick P02. And yeah, I was sure of it. ये करना होगा मैं फिर से. नहीं ये हो रहा है. और लेट्स रीड द npm doc. अच्छा. Let me quickly just delete all the transactions and all the portfolios. Right. And now we'll go to our PNPM dev. Quickly go to dashboard. And this is a major thing, right? इसके बाद we'll do this and then this because these are simple things. I'll do it in a pretty simple bit. Encryption was the biggest thing. It deserved a whole new different life altogether, but since we are so close to going live, I feel like it's just waste of time. I want to optimize some bits, so that's why it's here we are, right? So यहाँ पे हम हैं. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday and I am mopping on the dirty market. Well, वैसे इस प्रोजेक्ट में लर्निंग अच्छी हो गई. हमने कॉन्टेक्स्ट एपीआईज बनाया, हमने ना हुक बनाया, तो हमें मतलब एक्सपोजर अच्छा मिल गया प्रोजेक्ट का. सर्वर एक्शन तो खैर इज वाज वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग एंड ऑल, बट या स्टिल ग्रेट लर्निंग आई वुड से. P01 कर तो दिया भाई. db dot portfolio create find many. like debit E0101 to 3 lorem. Let me just add for the sake of it. E0102 6 lorem some 02. Save it. And the moment of truth, let me click it here. I did use the hash field here, don't you see? Okay, it's giving me pain, eh? यूनिक वाली चीज कुछ क्या let me just do it. Okay, this is the last attempt on this. Right. If this works this time, then great. Else, we are gonna hop on to the next line, and I'll look at it in my free time where I'm not live, you know, and we'll let you know whatever the fix is in the next live. So, npm dev. Let me quickly go to the dashboard here. यहाँ पे आने के let's quickly see transactions and portfolios. Yep, delete all your cards. Cool. Well, let it be. Then I'm gonna go here and refresh it real quick. Let's go. Alright, moment of truth. Now or never. Main file, refresh it. What? Actually, never mind. I just put unique constraint here, right? And when I'm actually going to create one, I do check, right? All right, let's see. Okay, it's not working. Alright, तो you'll see this later क्योंकि अब नहीं समझ आ रहा है ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, right? And I have to restart the server again and again and again, so it's just waste of time, right? Let's fix this issue. ये जो आप देख रहे हो grow वाला, what I feel like is the issue of clause और इसमें हमारे यहाँ पे जो लेआउट है यहाँ कहीं इशू आ रहा है. इसे क्या हो गया? Cool. Makes much more sense now. And let me just quickly grab this, sorted. Let's test for dashboard. It's the main thing, right? Cool, 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 right? Works great. Close this. इसे हटाएंगे। फिक्स यूआई फिक्स कमेंट, राइट। नाउ यू सी के जब हम नया पोर्टफोलियो बनाते हैं तो ये एकदम से अपडेट नहीं होता है, करेक्ट। तो व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज वी आर गोना डू अ फिक्स फॉर दैट। तो सबसे पहले तो हम जाएंगे अपने एक्शंस में, पोर्टफोलियो में। पोर्टफोलियो में जाएंगे एंड नो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द यूआई, राइट। So this is our page. Uh, okay, now where is it? And will say portfolio set is loading to wait, create portfolio. Uh, so once it is called, right here, what we need to do is we need to open NextJS dot docs or go to version 14 and then we validate path. Layout. This needs to be copied, pasted here, and now or revalidate path just for returning dash voard, correct. And when we come here, cool is push, and इसके बाद हम कर देंगे यहाँ पे router dot refresh. So now hopefully this should work because I have looked into how this is done, right. Let me write 30201 111 30201. Save. No. Router dot refresh कहीं और होगा, that is for sure. Should I, let's ask it, where should I put router dot, let me quickly check one thing. Correct. And use router. ठीक है, इतना तो सर्च कर रहा हूँ। डैशबोर्ड पैके refresh करना. Where should I put router dot refresh after? Not hand. Let me just quickly. Uh, let's see dashboard. थोड़ी एआई की हेल्प तो ले सकते हैं हम. Okay. Let's build another portfolio P03. And I just want to check one thing. Uh, नहीं, यहाँ तो बराबर डेटा आ रहा है, वहाँ नहीं आ रहा. Okay, is it in because of layout? हाँ. ओके, तो इसका हमें लेआउट के जस्ट क्लिक मी. लेट मी क्विकली गो बैक, वही. P04. Let me just try this. Give me a second, please. I'll be just right back. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Let me quickly do a P04. This is what it was saying right up now. Issue ये जो ये आ रहा है. कि वो एग्जैक्ट मैच सर्च करता है वो होता नहीं है ऐसे डेबिट कर देते हैं. Alright, fingers crossed. Not yet. हटाओ, हम सारी ही वो हटा देंगे कैश. It's 0 5. Let's rule. Fingers crossed. नहीं हो रहा भाई, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? Yeah, I saw the video. Not sure why is it not working. It was it's supposed to work. Alright, let's try it. Think my zero key is not working properly. 81. C. C. ये बराबर काम कर रहा है. This is not working. I'm not understand why. Cool. But still inside. Let's see. क्या कह रहा है वो, साइड नैव बार में जाके क्या करने का? की इज इक्वल्स टू राउटर एज पाथ क्यों कह रहा है? All right, let's quickly have a look. And I think it should work. It should work. It should work. It should work. It did not work. Why did it not work? E is equals to, yeah, router dot as path. What that even means? All right, last attempt at this too. Uh, I'm pretty sure though this is not gonna work. And it breaks. It breaks right away. Let's see. I think it should break right away. Router as part does not make any sense. What the fuck? Alright, let's see. C0. Okay. CT11. Hmm. Still not updated, right? Neither are you. Alright, so I'll look into this as well. Why it's not working. Two issues which still remain. Validation before opening portfolio page. Yes. So now if I go to, let's say I'm visiting this page, right? P0 portfolio P0. But what if some user goes like this on its own? Then what happens? V10 and all this, right? So this should not be there because V10 तो exist ही नहीं करता ना अपने database में. We'll have to fix this. Portfolio, portfolio name. Now Now, what is gonna happen is I'll check for, let me just do this portfolio और इधर क्या था action get portfolio by name cool if there is no portfolio then return div this portfolio with एक थोड़ी बार है portfolio name doesn't exist cool and for a moment I want to just uh, log what comes here and ठीक है चलो I'll do a quick refresh here we'll see I hope this bit is clear the thing is okay wow what just happened portfolio B10 I इसको हटाएंगे इसको लाएंगे and why is it I did not understand what just happened क्या दिक्कत क्या हो रही है भाई हेलो as a matter of fact let's just go to dashboard क्यों भाई अचानक से इसको क्या हो गया ANPX studio right Hmm. बहुत भसड़ हो रही है साथ में। Let's see this works now. Now what can we do is ऐसी तो कुछ कमांड होती है यार कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में शायद never mind. So what do we do now? It is not working. So go to, let me just go to यहाँ revert this. Let me close this app. We do this and dash alright. अभी यहाँ आएंगे and why is it not opening? है ना ये क्या हो गया अच्छा because we messed it up right okay it started breaking terribly hmm well at least this we got right correct अभी बस मुझे इसका यूआई बढ़िया से करना है उसका यूआई बढ़िया करने के लिए वो है क्लास नेम ग्रेड साइज फुल item center, justify center, p class, class name with set. Cool. और अभी बस मुझे एक छोटी सी चीज देखनी है which is what should be present at client side console portfolio null. Okay, if you don't have the data, get that makes sense. So for now, what we want to do is get portfolio का name इस लाइन को हटा देंगे, इसको पुश करेंगे, check if portfolio exists. Cool. अपना ये इशू भी सॉल्व हो गया. अब अपनी ये दो इशू बचते हैं जो कि आई थिंक आई वुड नीड सम टाइम टू फिगर इट आउट. तो मैं कल बैठ के इसे करता हूँ अकेले में आराम से फोकस के साथ, एंड वॉट एवर सोल्यूशन आई गेट आई पुश इट इन द प्री prod branch. फिर we'll update the packages. Is just a simple command npm update, no big deal. एंड आफ्टर दैट टुमारो विल गो लाइव विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, तो कल जरूर आइएगा. इफ यू हैव बीन विद माय विद this whole product journey, it was great learning curve. You got to learn absolutely, I mean, a lot of things, right? आपको भी आई एम श्योर कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा, और अगर आप इसे कभी फ्यूचर में देख रहे हैं तो मेक कंसिडर इट सब्सक्राइबिंग इफ you know got to learn something. And I'll definitely let you know के what are the issues with those two. तो कल आइएगा जरूर देखने. बाकी मिलते हैं फिर आपसे कल. ठीक है दोस्तों, चलो राधे राधे.